How to manage Safari settings on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first head over to your iPhone settings and scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps and then search for Safari. Here you can customize your browsing experience. So once you find Safari, under search engine, select your preferred search provider. You have options like Google, Yahoo, Bing. Choose the one that suits your style best. I have chosen Google. Now let's make life easier with autofill. Go back and scroll down to find autofill and then make sure that you enable it. This allows Safari to remember your contact details, passwords, and credit card information. Just toggle all on and you're good to go. Now, Safari has excellent privacy features. Make sure to enable prevent cross-site tracking to stop websites from tracking you. Also keep fraudulent website warning enabled for alerts when visiting potentially dangerous sites. Then, for a cleaner browsing experience, go to your App Store and consider downloading third-party content blockers like AdGuard from the App Store. Once installed, go back to Safari settings and you have to activate them. Then if you have too many tabs open, go to your Safari settings again and tap on clear history and website data, and then clear history. You can choose the time range and delete all the history at once. This will help to make your Safari experience better. This is it. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.